Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I want to show you how to install Asus Nano USB Wi-Fi adapter on Kali Linux. If you watch another video I made for TP-Link similar USB Wi-Fi adapter, you've seen that we were able to easily install that adapter on Kali Linux, which manufacturer didn't publish any sort of driver specifically for Kali Linux. So we're gonna do the same for Asus Nano USB driver. As you can see, all you have to do is just getting some updates for the firmware and installing some packages, and we're gonna do that first. Let's run it, and it's gonna take a while to install these packages, so be patient. I already ran these commands, and after these installed you can reboot, but it's an option. You might not have to, but just in case, after running these commands, if you still have an issue, make sure you reboot the system once. Also unplug and plug back your adapter. Then we're going to download this repository. Basically it's the driver for this USB adapter. Once we download it, we're going to run these commands one by one. For ease of demonstration, I'm just copy pasting all the commands once, but feel free to run it line by line. You don't have to do all once, but if you do that, that's okay. This step is basically installing the driver. Again, please make sure you run the first commands because these packages are required, and you can get the driver installed after these packages install. So to just confirm, if I click here, as you can see, I don't have any Wi-Fi option. Why? Because even though I have the USB adapter plugged in, as you can see, I'm using VMware, and Kali is installed on my VMware workstation, and as I'm showing you here, Asus Wi-Fi adapter is being plugged in, but I don't have any Wi-Fi option, and I'm getting the internet from the host computer, and it's just showing me the wired option. With that being said, obviously I don't have any Wi-Fi driver installed, even though I plugged in the adapter. And that's what we're doing now. We're installing the driver to make sure we have the proper driver installed for this Wi-Fi adapter. Also, you can use LS-USB to confirm that you already plugged in and it's connected to your computer, and you can see that here. And after running these commands, again, you don't have to reboot, but if still not seeing the Wi-Fi appeared here, you have to reboot your computer once. And now after I installed the driver, you can see I have the option to connect to Wi-Fi, and this Wi-Fi adapter is being installed on my Kali Linux. I'm gonna leave these commands on the description. I hope this is gonna help you to install this Wi-Fi adapter on Kali Linux. So if you like this and really help you, please subscribe to the channel and feel free to share it, and don't forget to like the video. Thank you for watching.